So let's understand the answers to this self-check question. What's going on here? We want to select only the word bar for styling, and the question is which of these is going to do it? Well, let's look at them each in turn. What about span.myClass? That means the element tag has to match span, and the class attribute has to be myClass. So that would work. Here's a span, and it has the correct class value, and it selects only the word bar. Notice that even though the outer paragraph, the P, also has myClass, it doesn't match because our rule specifically says it has to be a span tag. So this one is OK. What about the second one? This is an example of descendant navigation. We're saying we want to match an element that has the class myClass, but only if that element is nested inside of a P element. So again, here's an element that matches class myClass. It's nested inside of a P element. The fact that the P element also happens to have class myClass is irrelevant in this case. So the second one also works because it does not select the outer element. It selects the innermost one that matches the whole rule. What about the third one? The third one says we're looking for a span element, but only if it's inside an element that has the CSS class myClass. Well, here's a span element, and it is indeed inside of a CSS element that has the class myClass. And just as in the previous rule, the fact that the span element itself also has that class, that's irrelevant for the purposes of matching this rule, right? The rule just says a span no matter what, as long as it's inside of something that matches myClass. So in this case, all three of these are valid ways to select only the word bar for applying visual styles.